Welcome to the class. Students, in the previous lecture we have seen that metals and non-metals. That is, today we are going to study the chapter metals and non-metals. In that we are going to see the occurrence of metals. Now students, in the very last lecture we have seen the properties of physical properties of metals as well as non-metals. But today we are going to see how these metals are being occurred. From where do we get this metal? How we can purify this metal? All of this we are going to see in the topic occurrence of metal. Okay. So in that, the very first thing which we are going to see is occurrence of metals. So how these metals are obtained? So whatever we get, it is found naturally. Basically. In that we get three things. For that we need to study in detail how these metals are found naturally. And it is but obvious it is not been obtained naturally. So for that what we need to do? We need to purify it. And all of that process to understand that, first we understand what is minerals. So students, as we know, what is minerals? Minerals are those elements or compounds which are found naturally. I'm repeating, minerals are those elements and compounds which are found naturally in the earth crust that are known as minerals. So students, this is all about the minerals. It is minerals are those elements and compounds which are found naturally from the earth crust, that is nothing but known as minerals. Now, a question arises, then how minerals and ores are different to each other? So, what is ores? Now we will see what is ores. So students, from minerals we also get metal. So there is high probability to get metal from these minerals, that is nothing but known as ores. And those metals are in the pure form, it is nothing but known as ores. So now we see that we are getting minerals, along with that we are getting metal, that is known as ores. Now question arises, if we are getting minerals, if we are getting ores, that means what is chemical? So now we will see what is chemical. So chemical is what? The impurities which is found along with the ores, the impurities which is found along with the ores is nothing but known as gangue. So students, we have seen what is minerals. Minerals are the elements or the compound which are naturally found from the earth crust, that is known as minerals. And the very next thing which we have seen, that what are ores? The metals which are found from the minerals and which are the purest form, that are known as ores, right? And we get ores along with the impurities, that is nothing but known as gangue. This is what in an occurrence of metal we have seen about minerals, about ores and about gangue. Now students, we are going to see how these metals are being extracted. So we have seen naturally from the earth crust we are getting minerals, along with we are getting ores and all that we are getting impurities also. So how we can obtain all of this in purest form? And how we can separate this metals and all, ores and all. So what we need to do? First we need to understand the extraction of metal. That is, we will see how these metals are being extracted. So for that we need to understand first the reactivity of metal. Yes students, we know there are metals in different states, but their properties are different. Why that? Yes, the properties are different, but as we have seen the chemical properties and according to which their reactivity series are different. So what happens in reactivity series? That in reactivity series there are three types of reactivities, in which is some of the metals are very highly reactive. Very first thing is which is very highly reactive. That I am showing over here, this highly reactive. The very next thing or very next metal which we will found, which is moderately reactive or which is having a middle which has been reactive. moderately reactive, and the very last thing is less active. Now we are going to see those metals which are less active. So students, basically if we see if we need to extract metal, as we have seen metals are having different reactivity, right? Some are highly reactive, some are moderately reactive, and some are less reactive. So, and for that there are different ways to extract this metal as per the reactivity. So question arises, which metals are highly reactive, which are less, and which are moderately? So we can say potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium and aluminium. These metals are highly reactive metals. And if we talk about zinc, iron, lead, these all metals are moderately active. And if we talk about copper, aluminium, platinum, gold, silver, all of these metals are least reactive. So what is the difference between high and least reactive? As you see, the most elements which are high reactive, they are highly reactive. Their reactivity is high as compared to copper, aluminium and gold. So those elements which are less reactive. Right students? And within the middle order, those metals are moderately reactive, which is more reactive than these metals, which are least reactive, and which is less reactive than the high reactive metals. Now, students, if we talk about this, now we'll see in detail all about this. So first we will see about least reactive. So students, if we talk about least reactive metals, they are found in native state, means they are found in free state. They are found in free state in nature, and they can be naturally, like copper and silver, gold and silver are found in combined form in nature, means they are found in sulfide form or carbonate form. So we talked about these reactive metals, that is copper, gold, silver and platinum. These are found in free state in nature. They are less reactive compared to the other metals. Moreover, these metals are found in combined form. As we talk about gold and silver, they are found in combined form in carbonate or sulfide form. So, okay, this is all about the less reactive. Now we see about the moderate active or moderate reactive metal. So if we talk about these metals, these are moderately active metals, and they are zinc, iron and lead, and they are found in carbonate form, sulfate form and ore form. So they are found in three forms: carbonate, sulfate and oxide. This is all about the metals which are moderately active. Now the very last is highly reactive element. Those elements which are highly reactive that can displace other elements like sodium, potassium, calcium and magnesium. These metals are highly reactive than this moderative active element and less reactive element. So students, we have seen this is all about the extraction of metal. So students, now we are going to see about step for extraction of pure metal from ores. So now we have seen that how metals are occur, what are ores, what are minerals, what are chemicals, and we have seen the reactivity series of this metal, and we need to extract metal according to their reactive series, means according to the reactivity. So for that, some are highly reactive, some are moderately, some are low. So in that case, what step must we follow? What step must we follow to extract the metal along with their reactivity? So for that, we will understand this process step by step with the help of flow chart. So students, here we can see a flow chart. This is a flow chart of a ore, that is ore, in which we are going to see the concentration of ore. So nothing, why it is mentioned concentration of ore, because we know that this concentration of ore is nothing but a metal which is present in minerals and it is pure form. So for that it is nothing but ore, and what we need ore, and ore is nothing but metal. So we know that concentration of ore, it is of three types. One is metal at high reactivity, metal at low reactivity, and the very last that metal at medium reactivity. So we have seen three according to reactivity series. It is at high reactivity, medium or moderate reactivity, and low reactivity. Now students, if we see, we'll see very first thing how to extract metals having high reactivity. So for that what we'll do? We will do electrolysis of molten ore. So basically we will follow the electrolysis method. Now after the electrolysis, we'll do what we obtain? We will get pure metal. Now moving ahead about metal of medium reactivity. In metal of medium reactivity, students, what we'll get? As I told you, these medium reactivity series metals or elements or compounds are in free state in nature, and due to free state, some of these metals are being obtained in carbonate and sulfide form. So now if you see, we are getting carbonate form and sulfide form, and to obtain these metals from carbonate form, we will follow the process of calcination, and the ore which is present in sulfide form and obtained that in nature will follow roasting process. So we will follow two process, calcination process and roasting process. So what is calcination process? What is roasting process? That we will see in detail in very next video. So students, moving on, after we get calcination and roasting process, we will get oxide of ore or oxide of metals, and from that we are going to reduce metal, we are going to reduction of metal, and will get pure form of metal. This is how we can extract the metal having the medium reactivity. Now students, very last thing is metal of low reactivity. So what step will we follow for this? For that, as metal with low reactivity are in sulfide ores. So in sulfide ores we will be roasting. As we see, even in metal having medium reactivity, we have the roasting process for sulfide ores. Similarly for this also, we will go for roasting process. There we are getting oxide of metals, and here we are getting metals, and after that we will do refining. See, refining nothing but purification of metal. So when after all of this process we are going to get our metal, but that will not be in a pure form. Along with that, there is going to be an impurities that is nothing but gangue. So to remove that, we will go for refining of metal. So students, in this video, till now, we have seen occurrence of metal, minerals, what is ores, what is gangue, and we have seen extraction of metal, in that which we have seen the reactivity series of metal which are low, high and moderately, and then very last thing we have seen step for the extraction of pure metal from the ores. So students, homework for this video is write a short note on minerals, ores and gangue. Write a short note on minerals, ores and gangue. So students, this is all for the video. See you in the next video.